Question 1.
What kind of magazines are popular in your country? What kind of magazines are popular in your country?
There are many types of magazines popular in my country, like fashion magazines, sports magazines, housekeeping magazines, automobiles magazines, art and craft magazines, and many more.
Question 2.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of space research? What are the advantages and disadvantages of space research?
Space research is the quest to find out the mysteries of our universe. Space research informs us about other planets, stars, and galaxies. It also helps in protecting our planet by identifying threats like comets and asteroids. On the other hand, it is expensive, time-consuming, and futile at times. Space exploration consumes valuable fuel resources of the Earth. This is the reason some people always argue that, rather than wasting money on space, we should use them for the betterment of poor and needy people.
Question 3.
Do you think we will have a terrorism-free society? Do you think we will have a terrorism-free society?
Looking at the present scenario, this notion appears to be an optimistic concept. But nothing is impossible in this world. I believe when we have religious, economical, and racial harmony in the world, we will have terrorism-free society because there will be nothing for which people would kill others, as we all will be living an equal life.
Question 4.
Have you ever lost your way? Have you ever lost your way?
Well, yes, a couple of times. Actually, I have direction dyslexia, owing to which I tend to lose hold on my ways to an address more often than not. Thankfully, I have always been aided by someone or the other.
Question 5.
Why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language? Why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language?
It is important to learn a foreign language because it helps you connect with more people. As it is, today we do not belong to a big planet Earth. We belong to a small global village, and to survive in this global village, it is necessary to be multilingual. For example, English is spoken in 86 countries. If you know English, you can communicate with people of 86 countries.